Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use the function menu on Sony A6400. Let's begin. Now, the use of function menu is very simple. All you need to do is press the function button right here. So you can press on it and a very cool menu will appear. Now, depending on your mode, as you can see, I'm currently in the manual mode. You will see different things here. Going from the left to right, we have a drive mode, and here you can change the drive mode. And then you have the ability to change the focus mode, but we did have tutorial on that. The focus area, which is very similar to the focus mode. Exposure and composition, in which you can change the exposure. The ISO level, the ISO levels, so we can manually change the ISO to very funny amounts, as you can see, but let's keep it as auto maybe. The metering mode, to center, spot standard, entire screen average and highlight. Then we have flash mode, so the flash options simply. Then we have flash composition, which really do nothing because we don't have a flash right now. The white balance, in here we can basically test a few different options, but by default it is set to auto. And creative style, which is basically like themes that you can manually build in your photo to. And lastly, you can change the file format from RAW to JPEG or combination of two. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.